Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I am Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock markets, the way the trade has panned out today, the beginning of the week, and what kind of trends can you spot as we move forward from here on as well. Well, it was no blues Monday kind of a day for stock markets today, as the markets, inched higher for the third consecutive session. We have seen that the Sensex made it 1,041 points kind of a rally in today's trading session as well. The Nifty also managed to settle above 16,650 odd mark. All the sectors in the ended in the green, with consumer durables, IT stocks really supporting the market move. In today's trading session, and that was the key highlight of the day. If you talk about some specific levels, Sensex zoomed 1,041 points, or 1.9% higher, to end the day at 55,926, very, very close to that 56,000 mark as well. Nifty also moved over 300 points higher, 1.9% up, to settle at 16,661. The mid and the small cap shares finished on a strong note as well, with the mid cap index climbing 2.4%, small cap inching 3.08% higher as well. So, a very strong move coming in for that one. All of the 15 sector gauges compiled by the National Stock Exchange settled in the green, with consumer durables outperforming by rising as much as 4.2%, IT stock up by 3.9% as well. On the stock specific front, it was M&M as the top Nifty gainer today. The stock soared almost 5% to over 1,000 rupees after reporting a jump in quarterly profit. So Titan, Infosys, Adani Ports, L&T were also among the gainers, and the market breadths remained in the positive territory, with 2366 shares advancing, whereas 1092 shares declined on the BSE. On the Sensex index, you saw M&M, Titan, Infosys, HCL Tech, L&T, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Reliance Industries, Ultratech Cement, Wipro, Bajaj Finance, and Power Grid among the top gainers today. Meanwhile, the shares of LIC rose 1.9% to 837 rupees, right ahead of the earnings, which is likely to be reported today. Also, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, and ITC that settled in the red in today's trading session as well. Now, when you talk about the India VIX, that has been a real point of worry for the technical analysts. That slipped even further today, 7% down below the 20 odd mark. That supported the sentiments too of the Nifty 50 stocks. 45 remained in the green. There were five declining stocks in today's trading session, ranging from some metals, some pharma. So, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's down in trade, JSW Steel down in trade, ITC and Kotak Mahindra Bank dragging the sentiments. On the other hand, IT stocks, auto stocks, really leading the way in today's trading session. L&T up 4%, Adani Ports up 4.5%, Infi up 4.5%, Titan up almost 5%, M&M up 5% as well in today's trading session. Now, as we move forward, of course, the market move will be also determined not just by the earnings and the global market cues that have been supportive in the last one or two odd sessions. The markets will also be looking at the macro data. Of course, tomorrow we will be looking at the GDP numbers that will be coming in by the government. So for the fourth quarter and for FY22 as a whole as well, while there is an expectation that for FY22 there could be a growth of 8.7% this time around, and for Q4 it could be a growth of 4.1% odd. We'll have to wait and watch out for those numbers. In case those numbers are below the expectations, you could still expect some kind of volatile moves on the markets. But in case it stays in line, the upward run could actually well continue even going forward as well. With that, I wrap up right here with all the updates from the markets and day street. A good day for the markets all across, a broad-based rally is what you really witnessed. Now, the big question is that will this sustain or not? Well, most of the experts do believe that a near term trend reversal is quite visible and supported by valuation comfort, positive trend in the global counterparts as well. Softening of inflation worries a crucial point as well in the upcoming Fed policy. Easing of the long running lockdown in China also helped lift the sentiments across the Asian markets. So, in the near term, you could actually expect the markets to move higher. Technical experts do believe that. Resistance is now placed at 16,700. Once that gets crossed, 17,000, 17,200 cannot be ruled out as well. So that's as far as the market movement is concerned for the day. I'll leave you at that. But do stay tuned on to Business Today TV for a whole lot more of coverage on news is awaited right up next. Thanks a lot for tuning in.